Want to unlock the full power of your Wix website? Here's how to turn on developer mode, also known as Velo by Wix. Open your Wix editor and look at the top bar. Click the Dev Mode button, or in some versions, it's labeled Velo. Once you toggle it on, you'll see two panels appear. The code panel at the bottom and the page structure sidebar on the left. This gives you full access to custom JavaScript, elements IDs, and APIs, perfect for adding animations, counters, or dynamic databases. You can now link your UI elements with code by clicking any element and checking its properties panel for ID names. Don't forget, you can switch between editor mode and dev mode anytime. So if you're done coding, just toggle it off to keep things clean. And that's it, you've just activated Wix Developer Mode. Now, you can start building smarter, more dynamic sites powered by Velo by Wix in 2025.